Picking architecture software in 2026 still feels like choosing between a surgical robot and a sketch pencil. If you're designing multi-story commercial projects, you need parametric BIM tools like Autodesk Revit or Graphisoft ArchiCAD. They treat walls and floors as intelligent objects, automatically update every elevation when you change the plan, and let MEP engineers overlay their models to catch clashes before construction. Revit dominates the industry, but costs $2,800 a year and has a brutal learning curve. ArchiCAD offers comparable BIM power with better macOS support and a more intuitive interface. For residential designers, Chief Architect Premier automates construction details that would take hours in Revit. And if you're focused on visualization and concept work, SketchUp Pro with V-Ray or Enscape gives you speed without the documentation overhead. Need a free option? FreeCAD's Arch Workbench or Blender with architectural add-ons will get you surprisingly far. The right tool depends on whether you value documentation, rigor, or design velocity. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com. Link in the description.